Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. I'm in the JennAir column here. I'm talking about that time of year, replacing your filter on your refrigerator. We want to do this to kind of maintain that good ice flow, that good water flow, kind of keep things running fresh. So, if that light is beeping on your refrigerator, now's the time to change it. Few different ways. I mean, you can locate it, you follow your manual to what model you have. Sometimes they're up high. This model you can see is very down low. So we're gonna get down low and just push this in like this and slide this guy out. It's kind of use a two-hand method. And that's your filter. This is something you want to really keep on hand. This is a number 3 in this model, so you can kind of get these from our parts department, call up. We can even drop ship them or whatever, or you can get them online, but nice and easy, and they only go back one way. So this cap will actually come off. So, you take that off and then you slide it back on here. So you just, actually, let me go like that and snap it on. So it'll snap on, and now because it's really low and convenient. So make sure the sign is up, and then it can just slide right back in and push it. So it's locked like this. Your refrigerator, this unit's not on, but your refrigerator will beep and it'll reset to 100% filter status. So nice and easy, quick, convenient. Depending on your water usage in your area, that should be changed probably every 6 months. Some areas, and if you use a lot of water, it's 4 months. So at least twice a year, we recommend you change that and kind of keep that up and working. So hope this helps you, do your, annual task of water filter changing. So thank you so much.